So welcome back to the channel. First of all, click on Start Lab, and the first thing what you have to do is just open the Google Sheets incognito window. And if you're completely new to this channel, do like the video and hype the video. Now here it's getting signed in automatically. First thing we have to do, we have to add an address. So just stay tuned. Here you have to simply click on this blank spreadsheet and come to task number 1. From here you can see, for example, just copy from here to here. Make sure do not add the full stop, copy it, and you have to paste in the cell A1. So just like you have to just click on it, double click and paste over here. If you get any kind of pop-up, just remove it and just paste over here like this and click on anywhere else in the sheet. Now you'll get the score. Now from here just come to the extensions and you have to click on app script. Okay, just click on this app script, open it. Now here you have to enter the code from the lab instructions. So just wait for it to get ready. Simply come over here in the task number 3, replace entire content, paste over here and update your student email from here to here. Now just save it and then click on run. Here you may ask to just review permissions. So just click on the review and just allow, select the student ID only. So just select it. And here just select all these and click on continue. And after that it will run automatically. You can see it's taking some time. So just wait for 2 minutes or try again, or you can just retry after some time following the same method. And after that you'll be able to get the score. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Once it is done, we'll check the score. And many of you are asking how we are enabling the yellow check my progress bar. You can clearly see we got the score. So how to enable this yellow check my progress bar? For that you can check the description how to enable check my progress. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.